So this is week 4 of my challenge to ride all 13 Vëlosummer routes. This is Mamnyangli by Ducati. This is the one that follows the Yangli, the old Yangli line, which was from Ramish, Luxembourg City. These vineyard roads are so cool, I love them. Today is Zeer Uzesdal Tour. It's a fun loop that leaves from Luxembourg City and kind of heads over towards the east part of the Gootland and then comes back up along the Alzette River into the Grund. Man. Man. And today is the Zauer Moezel Tour. Right now I am on the Moezel. Later I'll be on the Zauer. All right, so after week 4, it's looking pretty good. I've just got 2 more tours to have completed all 13 Vëlosummer tours. I've done this one, 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 and this one. I only have this one to go, the Dreidaler Tour, and the Raymer Tour. I'm so close, I can almost reach out and touch it. I hope to see you out there. Until next time, Addy ciao, tip top.